Welcome to Perceptor PTXL's online training tutorials. In this tutorial, we will find out how to edit a batch template using Perceptor PTXL. Before we begin, a word of caution. Changes made in the batch label design do not carry over to the original label template that was used to create the batch. After logging in, select Batch and then Select from the top menu tab to access all the saved batches in the database. To help you navigate your open batches, you can use the filter options to filter all open batches. Note that the name filter is a global, dynamic and case sensitive, so you can enter any portion of the batch name. Having selected the batch to edit, simply click once on the thumbnail and press Edit. There are some things you cannot do in Edit Batch mode, which you can do in Edit Label mode. For example, in Edit Batch mode, the printer is deactivated, so you cannot print a new label. Also, you cannot edit a batch name or label name within Batch Edit mode. However, you can still edit the label parameters, add and delete fields, edit field parameters, and you can click and drag on fields to reposition and use the corners and edges to resize. Once you are happy with the changes made, press the Update button to commit the edited batch to the database. Thank you for listening. We hope you found this tutorial useful and you enjoy using Perceptor PTXL.